Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am just showing you guys my analysis and a possible entry into the market. Okay, so our analysis starts on our 1 month chart. As you guys know, we do start in our 1 month chart. We start off with our yellow trend lines and we look for two touch points. Okay, let me just adjust this one. It's a little too much. Yeah, right in the right spot. Okay, so we look for two touch points and then we see how the market reacted from there. So the yellow trend line is our touch point. Here we go. And then as we look at this, it is sort of in a consolidation, but leading into a downtrend. It was consolidating, it broke out. It's a sort of a downtrend, as you guys can see on the monthly chart. And then when we go into our weekly chart, we see here that the market was pulling back up, and then it just found resistance there and it eventually went back down. So it is continuing on its downtrend. And then we continued to our 1 day chart. The 1 day chart on this case is our black trend line. And yeah, it is a downtrend. And we go to our 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart is also a downtrend with our pink trend line, as you guys can see. Now we go into our 1 hour chart. With our 1 hour chart, we look at the green trend line, and our green trend line is definitely pushing to the downside. Okay. Now, what I'm trying to do is to enter on a smaller time frame because I have a small account. When I start trading a real account, guys, I will be using $10, and entering on a higher time frame might not give me the results that I actually need. So I'm trying to actually go into a smaller time frame. I've went into a 15-minute chart and I've put in my trend lines as well. This is where I've put in my trend line. I've used an orange trend line. I feel like you can't even distinguish between yellow and orange. But yeah. Let me just go for purple. I think purple would be a lot better at this stage. Let's go for that. Yes. Let's go for a purple. Yeah, so our 15-minute chart has a purple. Now we are looking for a breakout, okay? When we are looking for a breakout, we're trying to anticipate what the market is about to do. According to everything so far, guys, this is about to reverse just a little bit, maybe probably get to this green trend line and reverse down, okay? So it's not an exciting move. It's not a great risk to reward ratio, because this is a really strong sell. It's a really, really strong sell. Um, but we'll see how this one goes because it might just break here. Since it has broken our 15-minute chart, it might just continue breaking and eventually break the green trend line. Okay, so we're not sure about that. Um, But what we can do is wait for a breakout out of our VWAP. Our VWAP is definitely consolidating within it. So maybe if it breaks out of our VWAP, then we can put in a buy position. Our buy position is definitely going to be based on a 1 minute chart so that we know where we are actually going. So according to our 1 minute chart, it has broken our VWAP. It is leading to the upside. I'm just going to put in a trend line here, a horizontal line here, just to show a line of resistance. It resisted right there. So we're going to wait for it to pass this resistance. Let's change this color of our resistance line. and make it maybe like baby blue. Okay, this is not like um our weekly trend line. Yes, the colors are not the same. That's good. Okay, so I'm putting resistance lines here based on the 1 minute chart because basically I want to enter on the 1 minute or 5 minute. So the resistance level still becomes the same. And the way, as I can see here, guys, it has a head and shoulder shape. Yeah, so this is our head, a shoulder and shoulder. Okay, so once it breaks out of here, I think it is going to move to the upside and intensively. So yeah, let's just wait a few more moments, minutes, and find out what happens from here. We are going to wait this out here on the 1 minute chart just to see exactly what is going to happen. Let's go to 5 minutes and see. Yeah, on 5 minutes, you see that is a reversal. It reversed as soon as it hit this resistance line right here. So we'll see what happens from here. I am feeling tempted to draw a trend line here. I feel very tempted to draw a trend line. I am gonna change the color for the 1 minute and maybe make it red, right? Or kind of brown. Too many trend lines. Let them not confuse you, you guys. I'm gonna make it a red trend line. Let the many trend lines not confuse you, you guys, because we are trying to just keep watch of the market and not forget why we're in where we are or what is happening actually. Okay, we'll come back. You guys, the market has finally opened. We're gonna have to see a little bit of a movement right here. It's either it breaks out of this lower trend line, 1 minute trend line, or it breaks out of our resistance and support line. And yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Go to a 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes is honestly consolidating like nobody's business. But we'll see which side it takes, and then we'll just get on a bandwagon from that. Okay. What we're waiting for is a breakout either side. Which side is it gonna go? And then we get into the trend line. We are entering based on our lower time frame trend lines here. Okay? Because our higher time frame trend lines end with our 1 hour trend line, which is the green trend line, and our 4 hour trend line as well. So we're waiting for a breakout. Surely Surely it might go up, but we are waiting for a breakout to actually be sure of what we're getting into. Okay. And I'm loving this view up. This view up app trend sorry. This view up is called view up divergence. I you can just get it on your my internet is crazy. You can just get it on your indicators. Go to VWAP. Sorry, guys. Go to VWAP auto and VWAP divergence. Here it is on the bottom here. VWAP divergence by flux charts. And then put that in there and then it will really help you. Another thing that I do love here, is the sessions. This is what I use. This is sessions under your indicators as well. And then that helps you determine that, okay, now we are in this session or we're in this session at the current moment. So that also helps a lot. Okay, let's wait for an opportunity to enter the market. Okay, guys, so it broke out of our trend line a little bit here. Once it broke out a bit, it couldn't sustain itself and eventually went back in. I'm just gonna move our trend line here on the 1 minute chart just to give a much better reference. As you can see on the 5 minute chart, this is what is happening. The way I see it, I feel like it is gonna break out and continue going down. But yeah, only time will tell. Let's just wait. Market has done a market structure break. I am going to buy. I'm going to try to use proper risk management right now. I'm going to use a 005 and I'm going to put in a sell. And another maybe same position. And maybe another, no, I don't have enough. So the market broke market structure shift. Here, as I was saying, you guys. Broke market structure shift here. And around this mark here also. Broke out of the market structure shift. It is going to pull back a little bit because I did get in a late entry. But this little resistance also, this little resistance right here, just make another mark here, has also been broken. As you can see, the market is rejecting on that candlestick there. So it's still going to go down. It is still going to go down, you guys. Let's just be patient and let it dance the way it wants to dance, but it's definitely going to go down. Yeah. Go to our 15-minute chart. Let's go to our 1 hour chart. You see how clear the pathways are. Ooh, there is some resistance coming on this part here. But it might go right. Guys, so our trade has gone absolutely well. Yeah, it has gone well. It has done a beautiful move downwards. And now we just need to see our P&L and see where we can close our trade. So this is our 5-minute chart. So yeah, this is our 5-minute chart. Our P&L is looking rather beautiful, $26. I think I am going to close this trade right here. Just to be realistic, take what the market can give you. I know that this market can actually push further down. But one thing I can say, guys, is you must honestly take what the market can give you. In that case, you know what? I think I am going to just trail my stop loss to here. And at least once I've trailed the stop loss, then I know that if the market just turns around here, then I've made about $22, which is a 1:2, which is great. For me, that's a great amount to make. Yeah, guys, that's it. If it takes me out right now, so be it. If it continues going down, well, that's also great. Let's go back to our analysis and see what happens. So I got stopped out, you guys, and unfortunately, I got stopped out just for the market to return to where it was going. Maybe if I had left the market to do its thing, I could have been on the winning side. But you know what, guys? Greed is not a good thing. Well, $10 making double that, that's enough. It is honestly enough. This is the profits for the day from a $10 demo account. So once I do get into my real account with a $10 account, I can definitely foresee myself making $20 on a good day. So for me, honestly, that is a good profit. It was a risky one, of course. I am risking high, but the whole aim is to be able to make good profits when you are winning. Okay, guys. So that's it. Look at how that pushed down. Oh my God, I'm so jealous right now. I feel like I should get into the market again, but you know what? I am not going to get in. I'm out. I'm out. And I will see you guys on another one. Another scalp went into a good direction. It's kind of hard being a scalper, guys, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. All right. See you guys on another one. Bye.